Alright everyone, let's take a look at these unsightful steps that are protruding from the side of my house. So every single idea I thought of trying to build around it is not gonna work. So my next option is just to remove them. So I've rented the proper equipment and now it's hammer time.